Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to unbox our newly item. This is Ulanzi U-Rig Metal Smartphone Video Rig Handheld Grip Stabilizer. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you very much to Ulanzi for making this video possible. Alright guys, if nagbabala kayo bumili na to, this is it. This is for you. I-unbox natin siya and bigyan na rin natin ng a little bit review. And kapag ka-decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link nasa description lang, i-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa Ulanzi for this item. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, this is the packaging from Ulanzi. And as always, kapag mag-unbox kayo, laging gumamit ng scissors. Alright guys, meron tayo ditong dalawang item. This one, ito yung U-Rig Metal Smartphone Video Rig by Ulanzi. And I believe this one, ito yung kanilang lens na pwede nyong i-attach mismo dito sa handheld grip ng Ulanzi. So, isa-set aside muna natin tong lens and i-open muna natin itong U-Rig Metal Rig by Ulanzi and let's see what's inside the box. And ito yung kanyang pinaka-box. And i-open na natin siya and let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, may makikita kayong isang malaking poster kung paano siya ina-attach sa inyong mobile phone. And meron din siyang dalawang cold show mounted adapter. So, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng inyong mga accessories. For example, your microphone, tapos your lighting. And pwede nyo rin siyang i-attach sa tripod nyo. And on the back, meron dito mga step-by-step kung paano siya i-set up. Super dali lang. Meron lang siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps and you're ready to go. And this one yung inyong pinaka Ulanzi handheld grip. And I believe this version, ito yung gawa sa aluminum alloy. Ayan. And here, pwede kayo mag-mount ng inyong mga accessories. For example, here, your microphone. And dito naman is your lighting. Ayan. And here, pwede kayo mag-attach ng inyong lens. And here, dito naman ina-attach yung inyong camera. So, this is adjustable. And it also comes with a leather strap. And there you have it, guys. That is our unboxing of Ulanzi Urig Metal Smartphone Stabilizer. And ito yung kanyang itsura kapag ka nalagyan nyo na ng kanyang straps. Ayan, super ganda niya and handy siya. And here, dito sa kanyang likod, meron siyang clip. I-clip nyo lang yung inyong smartphone. Etong nasa harapan, ilulusan nyo lang para ma-adjust nyo siya. And ilalagay nyo yung inyong smartphone here. Ayan. Tapos sisikipan nyo lang siya para mag-stay siya dyan. And then, this one naman, kung meron kayong, pwede nyo siya dagdagan ng mobile lens. This is also adjustable. So, hahanapin nyo lang yung pinaka-center ng inyong camera. Then, ilalock nyo siya dyan. And then, ayan. And then here, pwede nyong i-mount yung inyong camera lens. Ayan. And meron din tayo ditong Ulanzi smartphone lens. And ito siya, unbox ko din siya for you. Wow. Yung kanilang lens, it comes with pouch. Ayan. And meron siyang sariling lalagyan. Ayan. Yung kanyang lens, pwede nyo siyang i-mount sa inyong mobile phone alone. And ito yung kanyang pinaka-lens. Ayan. And yung lens nila ay it comes na rin with filter. Kung gusto nyo ng walang filter, pwede rin wala. This one I believe, I think this is ND filter. Ayan. So pwede nyo siyang ilagay. And pwede nyo rin siyang tanggalin. And after nyan, itong inyong mobile lens, i-screw nyo lang siya dito sa pinaka-center. And you're ready to go to stabilize your video clips using this Ulanzi Urig Metal Smartphone Stabilizer. And aside from that, guys, yung kanilang camera lens pala, it comes then with hood lens. Ito, mini hood lens. Ayan. So, pwede nyo rin siyang ilagay dito. Ayan. And again, aside from that, pwede kayo mag-add ng inyong mga accessories like external microphone and external light. Ayan. It's so amazing. Ayan. And there you have it, guys. This is our unboxing and a little bit review of Ulanzi Urig Metal Smartphone Video Rig Hand Grip Stabilizer. And again, kapag ka-decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link na sa description lang, i-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang official store for this item. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Be one of the extraordinary people. Subscribe to my channel. I-ring nyo na rin notification bell para kapag meron tayong bagong videos like this and everything, mananotify kayo sa inyong YouTube account. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye!